You can use your Pixel phone to take the temperature of objects around you. To take the temperature of an object nearby, open the thermometer app. To allow the app to access your device's infrared temperature sensor, tap Allow. To allow the app to access your camera, tap Allow. Then, to allow the app to take pictures and record videos, tap while using the app or only this time. Tap Object Temperature. Review the information on the object temperature feature, then tap Continue. You'll get a brief tutorial. When you've finished, tap Close. Select the material of the object that you're measuring. Identify the sensor at the top right on the back of the phone. For best results, position the sensor within 5 centimeters of the object. Tap the center circle to capture. You can delete, retake, or save the temperature of the object.